Do you know what's the wildest part about manifesting a specific person? And maybe some people don't agree with this. It depends where you are on your journey, but manifesting a specific person is never about the person. It's about you. It's about your own tolerance to love and what you believe you deserve. So if there's someone in your life that you're completely in love with, but they're not showing the same feeling towards you, it's okay to step back. It's okay to take some time out to be with yourself, because manifesting a specific person is almost always never about that person. They're just mirroring to you how you truly feel about yourself deep inside. And I know sometimes the mirror sucks. What you see in the external is sometimes so painful, but that is your opportunity to come back within and to meet yourself deeper. Because when you focus on yourself, trust me, you'll never regret it. I would be so afraid to lose myself than losing another person. I would be more worried about being unrecognizable to myself than to another person. So what if somebody thinks I've changed? I have. And if you're not on the same energy and frequency as me, I'm not afraid to let you go. That's the kind of mindset that gets you treated with respect, that gets people to value you and to not play around with you. It's all in your hands. Nobody can do this for you. Stop procrastinating your glow up. Join Become Magnetic at the link at the top of my page. I swear it will change your life. Ask me any questions below, and I'll see you next time.